getting out. This guy. Buddy, I just shit my pants. I couldn't hold it. There he goes. That worked.
It was me! Yes! I did it like this!
Well, technically, it's his first frozen yogurt.
Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
That's
Wow.
huge.
You also tell him about my affair.
I found this rock outside and it's kind of square looking.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Birthday, Homelander.
Thank you.
I can see your girdle, you disgusting fat fuck. Get off the fucking stage.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every knot has its
looking for something new. I know somebody that you could use. What about me?
Popping up in movies, ain't no Nazi bitches ass done. Hee.
Well, don't you all look nice?
Oh, damn it.
Oh my god, there's fire! It's a fire, but it's controlled.
Bro, look how bad that is.
Is that a real... What the hell they're making in there? Oh, bro, look what it is. Are you kidding me? Let's get the hell out of here.
What is it?
It's a cremation society.
No! No!
Read this.
I do.
She said yes!
Man and wife.
Manita macaron.
I'll kill you both.
Butter? Is that butter? Is that butter? Bro, yo, that dude below me said the same thing. Yeah, these dudes next to me said the same thing. Y'all heard that?
Are you kidding me? This is the best chicken I have ever had. Serious, I mean, it's crispy, but it's not dried out. And the seasoning is so flavorful.
Just got off work, headed to my car. It's a pretty good day. I didn't do too much. Hang on. What is that? Oh, nice. Hey.
Kids on the street at one time. How many families had 5, 6 kids? You know,
How do you do that?
Before starting this step, please understand that the CPU is the most fragile part of the build. Handle the CPU carefully and hold it by the edges. Do not touch the gold pins throughout.
Dankmemes, just fucking flip this shit around and bam, you got a full view of the whole fucking row.
Yo, son, why are you crying? Can you help me with my homework? Yeah, of course, of course. What subject is it? It's math. Nah, you're gonna have to go talk to your mom about that. What? She's not here. Why? I'm dumb as fuck too, bro. I am not. I woke up in a new well.
Oh, what is that?
It's a dumpling.
A dumpling? Oh, give me that.
Jaden!
Oh.
My town funny as hell for this.
God damn, they got the speaker shoes.
Torch for sale, $1 million. Doesn't require fuel or anything. Works great.
When I see you again.
You can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
How do you even get up there?
Oh my god!
How are we gonna get him down?
I don't know.
What the fuck is a turtle doing up a telephone pole? How the fuck?
Hey chat, I had a question.
Francesco Bergolini!
The best thing about being isolated is spending quality time with the kids.
This filter's pointless. I already know what trash can I am. You know, one of those ones that's all rusted and it's just falling apart. Just needs to be thrown away in the trash. So what'd I tell you?
Ooh, let me help! You got the putter? I'll bring the flutter! Woohoo! We did it, buddy!
Turn the water on? Yeah. Alright, it's stopping. Oh, no, that's pretty right there. Look at that shit, dog.
Oh my god. Oh.
You didn't betray me. You betrayed yourself. No, Optimus!
Wait a minute. Oh yeah. It's that murder music. I let that
Hey chat, I had a question.
Well,
Oh, you sure? Oh, thanks, mate. I'm having a family barbecue.
Thank you so much. Oh, you're so sweet.
We're here to help. Farewell, citizen.
Hola, Panchito. Mira, me llegaron las
You can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
Danger!
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Hey, welcome.
Due today, you have your informational interview. So most of you have already connected with industry and interviewed. You're going to turn in a link to your notes.
Never even seen your own face in the mirror, have you? Here.
He burnt my Krabby Patty.
He burnt my fries.
He burnt my shake. How is that even possible?
Alright, this is the... Oh, fuck. What did I do? What did I do? Excuse me? Oh, fuck, it's a bomb!
Get up, cocksuckers, it's all over.
Lightning.
I am speed.
Don't you fucking move. You bastard.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father help!
This that murder news. I let that chopper sing and they listen to it.
What happened, Drifter? What happened? Tell us.
Fucking lost it.
Bro, I'm gonna prank my brother while he's sleeping. I'm gonna chuck this on him.
I just left the donut shop and for whatever reason my car smells like cigarettes. Oh my god, this is not my car.
Now move forward a little so we can go both directions.
Wait.
I don't know what it is about this wine, but it tastes like your mom. Like, what even is this? What kind of wine is this? Oh.
Hold it back.
You gonna replace my boy Sierra Miss?
Montana
Montana, Montana, man. Oh my God, it's Montana, man. I can't let got my money, yeah, I run it up.
Look at this, I found a cowboy hat and a rifle and a guitar. Hey, be careful with that, huh? No, it's okay, it's not a law.
You know what's cooler than magic? Meth. Teach me.
Cereal is probably the worst way you can possibly start your morning.
Yes, I'm calling from the school just to let you know that your daughter's kind of struggling today. She's having a really hard time, and it might be a good idea to come pick her up. Mom, I know I'm the teacher, but can you just please come?
Excuse me, sir, this fell off.
Bro, what the fuck?
You had 2 tests?
I did that.
You got a 53 and a 60. You can cheat. It's online.
I did cheat.
And you still got a 53 and a 60.
This is so dumb. Like, who's actually getting these things and walking around? You'd have to be such a loser. Come on, horsey, let's go.
Yeah, drinking.
Alright, so we're just gonna buy a few.
I got you something.
Come here, buddy.
I've had it with you.
Do what you're gonna do.
Chillin' in the foreign. Then my joint up the phantom. I'll be in New York with the gangsters.
Just walking into these random people's crib. Let's see how it goes. Hello.
Who the f are you?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. But seriously, like, what's the first word that comes to your head?
Chrysanthemum.
All right. What about you?
Whopper.
Whopper. Hey, okay. Okay. All right, bro. How about you?
Milk.
And last guy?
Megatron.
What are you guys watching?
What was your biggest come up in one day?
Like money or spiritually?
Money.
$1,000. I stole it from my mom.
Alright, what was your biggest loss in one day?
Divorce.
Damn.
300,000. She was a doctor.
Why do y'all get divorced?
She didn't want to be with me. Look at me. You ever rob somebody?
No.
I'm sure I do it. Hey, hey, come here. See, I go.
What was your biggest come up in one day?
I don't care about money.
Oh.
The robber.
Oh shit! The fuck are you doing?
I'm sad as hell.
It's a girl. She made fun of me for getting Capri Suns, and then she drank 8 of my Capri Suns.
Zach, you're in your 20s and you're arguing over Capri
Mom,
Suns, dude.
either you ground her or I fight her. So there's 2 options, and my fists are already up.
What? Don't what?
Shot from the White Claws anymore, you little prick.
But Dad, look, there's so many.
Yeah, they're not yours. They're mine. I bought them. Get your money out.
What else am I gonna do?
Huh?
What else am I gonna do?
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
Good morning, Glasgow!
You heard the N-word less as you've gotten older in your life, do you feel like, or did you hear it much growing up? Really?
Nah, I never had somebody, like, a different race call me the N-word to my face.
Never?
Never. I think I'm like one of the...
You ready?
Well, no, wait, whoa, what are you...
Everybody talks about Paris this, Paris that. Girl, look at these little crosswalks. My ass about to get hit.
Oh, shit.
I never stay. Every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby. The fall must stop on you. You better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true. The poor little heart will end up alone. 'Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run.
Put it this way, okay? You see that guy right there? That guy. He's only 25 years old. Yep.
The guy's got a fucking screen that tells you what to do. Oh, he's braking? Oh, I didn't know. The brake lights weren't good enough. You have to put a fucking television on the back of the motherfucker.
He's beautiful. Alright, we're gonna need to give him the shots.
Oh, hell yeah, pour up. It's his fucking birthday. Babe, what the fuck? That's not what he meant. Well, how am I supposed to know what he meant? Because he was literally just born.
I know, exactly. That's a dope reason to celebrate.
He can literally die.
YOLO.
Dr. Johnson, what the fuck?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just arriving back home and I spot my boyfriend just chugging the chocolate milk. Yeah.
Just copped a 6-pack of.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Can someone please explain this?
How does that even happen?
In the middle of the trail. Look at this little face. Dude.
I'm not gonna ask help from them. They rude as hell.
Oh my god.
Speak. What seems to be the problem? If you've got to travel, by the 9 divines, stay on the roads. The wilderness just isn't safe anymore. Move along.
Now, once they're all on, you should be able to just stick a bar in here.
They see me rolling.
Make it loose.
Damn, David. Oh shit, you got the same. Why'd you get 2 sets?
One for the back door, one for the garage.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, you're right. Damn, you're so fucking smart, David.
That's some real shit. Hey, y'all, hey. Yeah. That's all.
You brought me out here to kill me, man?
I'm sorry, Nick.
So am I. Because you pull that trigger and we're both dead.
Wait, you were gonna kill me? And are those my golden guns?
They're my golden guns. And it looks like we both had a little secret, doesn't it?
Why the fuck would you kill me?
Where you having, bro?
Real?
Yeah.
That shit that we smoking in that car that night?
Yeah.
Oh!
Nigga.
Yo, watch your mouth. Oh. It sounded like something else, right? I know I didn't heard it. I said, please,
Wait, what is this?
Hey, nice cow outfit, homo. Where can I pick one of those up? The gay zoo?
Oh no, it's not a cow. It's a minotaur. It's a creature of myth. And he got this one out of your mom's closet.
She let me keep it after I fucked her.
Pussy, he think he the batter. We call him Elon Musk.
Did you wash your ass today?
Today, I wanted to eat a croissant. So I went to a place that sells croissant. And I bought a croissant. And I returned home with the croissant. And then I ate the croissant.
Amarillo, 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 plátano.
Oh my god, flying squirrel, boy. Whoa.
Asistencia de Xavi, més capradeta per Messi, Messi, Messi.
It got so quiet in here. How did I...
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Spectacular.
Is that you? Is this a prank? Because I swear to
It is no prank, bitch!
Hey! Why do you sound like that?
Because you, my precious little bitch boy,
Stop it,
are
sir!
tripping balls!
Who would you say in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Are you selling your anvil?
Yeah, I've had a lot of good times with this thing. Oh, a dollar!
Yo, this nigga look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, bro.
I'm driving an ambulance.
Call a circle, guys.
Of life.
Well, how about next time you get a board that can handle the neutron style? Later, Nick.
Oh, fuck you! Oh, God! What the fuck? What the fuck, okay? Not okay! How's this?
You know you're really fucking old when the computer you used in primary school is in a museum.
What I can do, is this.
Jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion.
Tomorrow is World Naked Gardening Day. I need to know, is there a naked gardening club in Philly?
Mike would like to join.
Yeah, I'd like to see the hose and the rakes and trowels and all the equipment they use. No, you know.
Broke the nozzle right off, and I got a little on me, as you can see. Fortunately, I didn't get any on the car, but you know, if it's not one thing, it's another.
Come on back this way. That truck's gonna get. Don't jump! No! No!